Okay guys, so there is about to be a blizzard in North Carolina. Obviously, if there's a blizzard here, it's going to be nothing like one in Maine, so I'm prepared. But everything is going to shut down, so I'm going to have to go get groceries, and I hurt my neck lifting weights last night, so I'm going to have to go get something for that before all the stores close. And I'm really hoping my job closes, so I can just have the day off and watch Disney Plus. It's not snowing, but it's raining, and it's super cold. It's I feel like it's gonna turn into freezing rain. I just got my license switched over, so I'm really happy about that, but I still have to go to work. School got canceled, but still have to go to work, so it's actually snowing now, guys. Like, I cannot believe it, but it actually is snowing. Here, I'll give you a look. It's hard to see, but yes, you can see it coming. This is like kind of crazy. Second snowfall I've ever witnessed here, and it's actually coming down kind of hard. So I hopefully we have a delay tomorrow, and that'd be the best. Am I in Maine or North Carolina? Okay, I'm literally having PTSD right now. You ready for this? It's so cold. Oh my god. I just had to scrape off the snow. My hands are so cold. They have not been this cold since 2018. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. I am literally having PTSD, withdrawal flashbacks. Guys, it is the blizzard of 2020. Stay tuned. So I'm braving the storm to go work out because the grind don't stop. Oh, my feet just got soaked. My whole body's soaked. Guys, why is this? Guys, it's the morning after the hurricane, and I got up at 4:45 to go work out. Get to Crunch, and it's closed still. The doors are all locked, but all the lights are on, so I'm really confused. So now I just have an hour. It's currently 6:48, so now I have an hour before my shift to just sit in my car. So I'm currently in the Dunkin' drive-thru, but I'm really bummed because I really wanted to work out. I literally just watched the sunrise in my car because it was dark when I got here, and now it's light. And so I'm still waiting to see if Crunch is gonna open. I'm so tired, and I'm sick. I think I have the flu. But this coffee was bomb. It was so good. Shout out to you, Creedmoor Duncan. So it turns out that we open at 9. So I live a half an hour away from my job, so I'm literally going home for 30 minutes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and please like and subscribe. Bye.